So I've been doing a video series recently about my settings for my cameras that I have. I started off with the Canon EOS M50, then I moved on to Canon EOS R, and now I'm about to film my final one about the Canon EOS RP. So what I'm going to go through right now is my entire step-by-step process of how I film these videos. So if you feel like you want to do a video similar to this, then you can do it as well. Hey everyone, I'm Ruben Liu and I'm a photographer, video producer and digital creative based in Malaysia. I'm a creative group head in a digital advertising agency and run a production house at the same time. My aim with this channel is to equip budding creatives to help them kickstart their journey and carve a space in this industry. If that resonates with you, do consider subscribing. The reason why I choose to shoot in that top-down style was because I've been pressed for a lot of time the last few weeks, and I thought that this was the best way to shoot, film, edit and release the video in the fastest way possible. So how I start off is I will actually start off with a script. So you can see right here, I have my script. I basically script out every single thing I'm going to say, and right after this I'm going to record my audio first as my narration, and then I will play back that narration over while I record the video. And what I actually use for the top-down shots actually throughout the entire video is my Canon EOS M50. I'm using it attached to a boom pole that is set at a 90-degree angle from my computer mat, which is basically this leather mat which I got off Shopee. To light up the scene, I make sure my Godox SL60 is with its softbox and is as close to the subject as possible. Of course, this will introduce a lot of shadows, and that's why I have this white bounce cut over here to reflect some of the shadows back. And that creates an aesthetic that I really like. And I thought that would be very suitable for this style since I'm trying to keep the videos as consistent as possible. So basically, that's how I do these videos. And the reason why I do it this way is because I wanted to get a video out every single week, and this was one of the ways in which I could get it out quickly. I scripted it on Saturdays and I'll film it on Sundays and edit it on Sundays as well, and then release it on Mondays. And that's it. I hope this video has been insightful to the behind the scenes look into how I did these top-down videos. And if you have any more questions on how I do certain things, let me know in the comments. I'll be sure to get to them. That's all for now. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.